Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-406S, and this is a 4-inch high digit, 6-digit time of day clock. Viewing distance is estimated at 200 feet. The way to set it is 3 environmentally sealed push button switches that are mounted up on top of the enclosure to the right. The enclosure is extruded aluminum, all extruded aluminum, and powered by a 120 outlet with it's a 12-volt wall adapter. Plugs into the side over there. It's a 2.5 millimeter jack. The way to mount it is, and I will show you, on the back side there are these 3 or 4 keyhole mounting tabs that can be loosened and adjusted to mount on various widths. And also there's 2 AA batteries we include with it on this panel for your memory backup. The clock is calibrated here at the factory and with a hypersensitive oscillation frequency counter. To set it for 12 or 24 hours, minutes and seconds, just push hours and then hold the minute second, and it, as you can see, it changed over to 12-hour mode. So I'm just going to say it is still 10 o'clock, so I'm going to push that button again. So push it once to get started on the setting of the function that you want to set, or you can push it fast, quickly. But I'm just going to, minutes, just push it once and it gets started on the minutes. As you can see, the seconds zeroes out whenever you're in setting the hours or the minutes. I'm going to go ahead and push that again. And then if you want to be super exact with where you want to set it to another, like the NIST atomic clock, then you just set it at that time by zeroing it. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital. This is a DC-406S. Thank you for watching.